everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a fantastic day so far. I hope today's been treating you well. In today's video, as you can see from the title down below, I have got this month's beauty box to open from PLOUISE, and if I just pick this up from under my table here, we've got a suitcase. We have got a suitcase full of goodies and I'm so excited to get into this. If you haven't seen my channel before, I have only recently started getting these beauty boxes from PLOUISE. My first one was last month, the Easter egg, and this white woman got the deep skinned one, the deepest shade that you could get in that Easter egg. So the only products that I have continued to use from that £30 budget box is the lip balm. It's a great lip balm, but it's a £30 lip balm at this point. So I've got high hopes for this one. If you want to see more of these beauty box unboxings, do let me know. I'm more than happy to keep on getting them and showing them here on my channel. But let's just get into this one because, like I say, I've got high hopes. This packaging is beautiful. It is like they are giving you the PR experience of like giving you the whole thing that they would send to, like, you know, the proper influencers. So let's figure out how we're going to get into this. Okay, so inside everything comes in what looks like what you used to get your lunch in at primary school. Does anybody else see that? It's like that tray with all of the different sections. Okay, which way is up? I really don't want this to go absolutely everywhere. Oh, I'm so excited. Everything always comes so well packaged, and obviously I've already got my full face of makeup on for the day, so I'm not going to be trying any of this stuff on. I'm just unboxing it with you here today. So there are so many products in here. Okay, right, let me do this so I can open it and you can actually see what I'm doing. So first up we have got Get a Grip Gripping Primer. Okay, so there was a primer in last month's box. It didn't work for me due to the fact it was tinted, and like I said, the box was for a much deeper skin tone than me, so it's one that I've already sent to somebody on Instagram. I asked in my last video if anybody would want the things that I don't want, that like I haven't used, and I sent a lovely lady basically all of the products from last month's budget box, including the primer, because it just didn't work for my skin tone. So like I said, this is the Get a Grip. I never slip up when I'm stuck on you. And just look at the packaging. Like, I do love the packaging and like the design of it. So let's see. I really hope that this isn't tinted. Ooh, 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 ooh. Very, very liquidy. Oh goodness, that's like squeezing out already. Let me put the lid back on. Sort of has a fresh sort of spa scent. I don't mind the scent of that at all. It feels really like thin and watery. Doesn't have any sort of tint, but looks like that'll be really nice and hydrating. Love that. I'm a dry skin gal, so I need hydrating. Then we have got a setting spray. Again, last month had a setting spray. Didn't work for me. It was like glittery and just not suitable for me. This one almost looks milky. So this is the Babe It's Time to Fix Up setting spray. I do find it hard to read this like metallic writing because obviously all of the lights are in front of me. There's nothing, you know, first world problems. I am also struggling to get into this little bit of sellotape. Oh, there we go. I did it. So let's see what this spray is like. Okay, so it doesn't seem to have any sort of shimmer in it. That is the Finest Mist. I really, really like the feeling of that. And I think it's got the same sort of fresh, spa-like sort of a scent. It's almost like cucumbery, but I really, really like that. That's really nice and, like I say, hydrating. And if that's actually going to fix everything in, I love the sound of that. Just looking to see if it says what the scent is. It is almost just like a fresh, cucumbery sort of a scent. I really, really like it though. Then we have got Feel the Fizz Bitter and Fitter. What is this? Oh, Lemon Sherbet Protect Your Pout Lip Conditioner and Sharp Bite Stay Shining Lip Oil. I really like the sound of that. I absolutely love lemon sherbets as well. So, how? It's got a pull on the top, like a ring pull, but I don't think that that's how you get into it. Hello? Anyone? How do I get into you? Help, please. I mean, it says on it, attention for bad, B-I-T-C-H-E-S only, but I feel like, am I not enough of a bad bitch to get into this? Oh, I did it. I did it. Right, so 2 products in here. Ooh, yes, lip conditioner and plumping lip oil. I might have to try this on. Like, this is what I mean when I say I just love PLOUISE packaging. It's so extra. Like, who else would do a lip oil that has an actual crown on it? It's just so cute. I mean, it's not very handbag friendly, but it is so cute. Oh, and that smells like lemon sherbet sweets. I'm gonna have to put some on. So, smells delicious. First impression, I'm not getting any sort of hot tingle. It almost feels minty on my lips, but I'm smelling lemon. So I'm not quite computing that 100% in my head. And then I will open the lip conditioner as well. I won't put any on, but I want to smell it. I want to smell if this smells like sherbet lemon. Or lemon sherbet, rather. Oh, it's got a key ring! I can attach it to my keys. Then I'm never without a lip oil. Or rather, this is the lip conditioner. I don't think I can smell any sort of lemoniness, but I can see that the colour of that is lemony. I'm going to put that on my keys immediately. I love that. And the packaging for that is so much better than the packaging for the other one from last month's box, which is the Balmy For You lip balm. Like I say, this is the one that came in last month's box, and my husband actually had to get a pair of like pliers and open the hole up a little bit more because I couldn't get the product out. It's like the product was too thick to come out of the hole in the top of the little applicator, but that looks like that will work a lot better, and I just love that that's got a little keyring on it. So it says that it will smooth and nourish the lips, improve lip texture and locks in hydration. Oh, I always need that 100% of the time. So, I mean, I like this packaging, but what do I do with this now? I suppose I could put my eyeshadow brushes in it. I mean, I've got a tub for my eyeshadow brushes. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I might just throw it away. Is this recyclable? It is recyclable. So that's something at least. So I feel like all of this is quite a lot. But it's recyclable, so we don't mind that. We have next up got the Tearproof Mascara. The only drama I accept is that from my lashes. PLOUISE, I am so with you on that one. I didn't think PLOUISE did mascaras. Is this a new product? I don't know. Oh, it looks like, candy canes. That is so cute. Ooh, this wand looks nice as well. It's like a plastic bristled wand, but the bristles are longer on one side, shorter on the other. I bet that this would be really volumizing. I'm gonna have to do a full face of P. Louise again, aren't I? I've got so many new bits here. So this has been, that lip plumper has been on my lips for about 4 or 5 minutes now, and I'm not noticing anything. It's a little bit cold feeling, just the tiniest little bit, but I can really only feel that because I'm thinking about it, if that makes sense. So the last 2 products in here are big products, so I'm just going to take these out and put this whole thing on the floor. Of course, I'm opening all of this up the day after my recycling bin has just been emptied, so I'm just gonna fill it up again with one parcel. So we have got the You Give Me the Ick lipstick palette. I don't know how I feel about a lipstick palette. Like, it's in the name, lip stick. That's really thrown me off. I just don't know how I feel about that. So, ooh, it's got a big mirror. And these look like really cute colours. So, I mean, I'm not going to use all of them. But basically that top row and that middle row are me. I love this one. That is a beautiful, beautiful shade. None of these have names, but that looks like a really, really great colour for me. It's got a big mirror, which I love, and actually I think even if you were like whatever skin tone you've got, there's obviously an option for you in here, but I feel like even the lighter shades you can use like right on the middle to juice something up. I could use the darker ones as like a lip liner and then blend it into one of the lighter ones, but basically all of that middle row and the top row as well is gonna work for me. I really like the look of that. I've never seen a product like this before. Like a lipstick palette. I think if you were a makeup artiste, you would probably really, really love that, because it's all of your bases covered. There's gonna be something for absolutely everybody. Go you, P. Louise. And then we have got the All Over the Place face palette. I just really hope that there is something in here that will actually suit me. Okay, so I love the packaging. Oh my goodness, these pans are huge. I can use this. I can absolutely use this. Am I going to travel with it? No, because it's huge. But those highlights, I mean, that one's obviously too deep for me, but will work for somebody. That one looks beautiful. I would use this highlight across my eyes and just, you know, call it a day. These two here are creams. These are powders and these are powders. They look beautiful. I'm not gonna get into it today, but they look beautiful. I'm really interested in those creams as well. I love that. So if you want to see me test all of these things out, subscribe. I will be doing that soon. These look great. I really, really like the packaging of these. They're just so fun and like summery. So, opinion on this budget box compared to last month's budget box. I feel like I've definitely got my £30 worth of value in this one. I definitely didn't feel like I had that in last month's. I have got so much packaging to my left here. I'm gonna have to call my husband to help me take all of this out to the bin. So I'm gonna be testing all of these things soon. I did also get a few other products when I was placing my order for this budget box. I also ordered another box full of goodies. I will be opening that in another video because I feel like I want to end this one on a high. I really, really like all of these products. If you were umming and ahhing about the P. Louise budget box, just judging on this one, I would say absolutely without doubt, go for it, because the value that you are getting in these, Like, you're gonna pay £10 for a mascara, you're gonna pay £10 for the lip oil and lip conditioner little keyring thing. That's gonna be at least £10 for that. £10 for the mascara. The setting spray, you're gonna pay £10 for that. So that's your £30 just in this. And then you've got a primer, the lip palette, and the face palette. And like, you're gonna pay more than £10 for that face palette because it's the size of my face. But I don't know if I would necessarily go for the budget boxes if I knew that it was going to be a shade dependent one. Just judging on my experience from last time. I wish that there was a way that you could say, I want the light, the medium or the deep. So I feel like it's just wasteful otherwise. But I really, really like this box. Judging on this box, I am going to continue to get them moving forwards because I am really, really impressed and really excited about a lot of these products. So let me know, have you signed up for the budget box before? Do you feel like you get good value out of them? I would love to know your thoughts down below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If there are any other surprise boxes, budget boxes, anything like that that you would like to see, do let me know. More than happy to get my hands on them. But until next time, thank you ever so much for watching. Bye.